Hey guys, today we are going to be doing this problem, and I'm sort of just going to walk you through like how I would solve it, and let's really just get to it. Okay, so the first thing that I see when doing this problem, the first thing I need to know is that I'm going to have to distribute my exponents, right? So that I'm going to have to distribute the -4 here and the -4 here, as well as the -5 here and the -5 here. So from number 1, I'm going to distribute, which gives me x to the -3 times -4, which is 12, times y4 to times -4, which is -16. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing to everything on the denominator. So y, and you distribute that exponent once again to give you 4 times -5, which is -20, times x, and then -5 times -5 is going to give you +25. So once I do that, I notice that I can divide like coefficients, right? So I can divide these two, etc., right? So in order to divide exponents, what you have to do is you're actually subtracting the exponent and you're leaving the coefficient of y and x. So when dividing here, I'm going to do basically x to the 12 minus 25, that's one of the exponent rules, multiplied by, because I'm following this order right here, multiplied by y to the -16 minus that -20 right here. So minus -20. Okay, so for the last step, we have to simplify. And as one of the exponent rules, we know that we cannot have negative exponents. But first, let's simplify this actually. So x to the 12 minus 25 is going to give you x to the -13 times y to the -16 minus -20. The negative becomes a positive, like the keep change flip. So -16 plus 20, which will give you y to the 4. And since we cannot have that negative coefficient, we have to basically bring the negative to the basement, and that gives us, we keep y to the 4 on top because it's positive, it's doable, and we do x to the 13th, and this is your simplified expression of this equation right here.